So that's a wrap. All out here in Slato, Texas. Another day. We go back to Home Depot in Belton, Texas. Got to get my material for the day, man. Hey, y'all guys stay blessed. Find faith. Turn to God. So this morning we're heading back to Slato, Texas. I got a client who's a foster parent that wants to get her door fixed, and then this front of the door stained. So I went and got some stain. The difference between stain and paint is paint. Stain, you can see the wood grain. So when you're staining, you're still looking at the wood and you're not painting over it. So it's just a clear coat and it's a wood grain. So this is for that. You always make sure you get tape, so you tape and float. You're not getting paint on the windows and doors and all that stuff, and you just pull off afterwards. And she has an issue with the door, so it's just something so our door can close, and that's really it. Just come with screws. All you need is a screw gun or just screwdriver. That's it. So we got all this. Gonna go get it done this morning. We're at Home Depot, one of the best hardware stores in America. Any big town normally you'll have a Home Depot, a Lowe's, or probably an Ace Hardware. This is what we got today. I'm scared of dog. So when you're painting, you always want to prep your area. Door frame, everything. I'm gonna finish that up real quick, but make sure everything's already prepped. Your little area. And when I'm staining, you can use a screwdriver, whatever, a stick, a rock, just a little stick. Get this in here and just turn it. So this stuff is all blended together. This is just stain. It's not paint. So you're gonna see the wood grain again, but it's gonna look brand new stain when this is done. So right now I'm just doing this. I'm gonna get my brush and get started. Just take your time. Lightly pat. You ain't gotta make a mess. Just get started. We'll come back with 2 coats. Just keep the strokes simple. And you come back in here. It's the same thing. Dot it off real quick. In case it's windy, you don't want stuff blowing around. And you just keep going. Yes. So that's a wrap. All out here in Slato, Texas. Got this door stained, cleaned up. Gonna leave this on until this dries. Got a new one of these things put in so this door can actually close right here. So this is put in. Then we stained it, and I went ahead. I always say go above and beyond. Their flower bed wasn't part of the job, but I like to always just go above and beyond. Spend extra 5-10 minutes. Got the weeds out of here, a couple weeds over there. Got the water hose out, sprayed off the mess right here. This wasn't part of the job, but I always, like I say, always go above and beyond. If you spend 5-10 minutes extra at someone's house doing something for them, just do it. People appreciate it. And if you love what you do, it's not gonna matter at all. So the job today was to fix this door so it can close all the way. Put a new latch in there, stain it. That's done. And I went and cleaned this flower bed out a little bit, and that's it. Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. This is Travis Morgan, the Facebook landscaper, owner of Texas Morgans. I'm giving away a free yard makeover. All you got to do, like and share my Facebook page. And sometime next month, I'll pick somebody at random. I don't care who it is. I'll pick one person at random. Just like and share my Facebook page, and I'll pick somebody at random next month to get a free yard makeover in April, in the middle of April. So stay tuned. Could be your flower beds, could be a whole river rock.